Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Skin1004, or is it Skin1004 Madagascar Centella Ampoule, and it looks like this. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who has been practicing for over 10 years. I love to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Skin1004 describes this as an all-around ampule formulated to help soothe visible redness and comfort sensitive looking skin, featuring high-quality Madagascar Centella Asiatica extract. I purchased mine on Amazon during the spring sales event, but you can also find it at skin1004.com. There are 3 sizes available. There is a 100 ml, which retails for $22, a 55 ml like this, which retails for $15, and a 30 ml that retails for $9.50. Skin1004 suggests that you drop an appropriate amount of product evenly apply to the skin. You want to pat it on the skin for best absorption. And let's talk about the ingredients here. We see Centella Asiatica. This is a skin-soothing, anti-aging, antioxidant that we often see in K-beauty skincare products. It is a good hydrating ingredient that helps soothe compromised skin. Any value used in skincare formulations will offer the skin many benefits, such as soothing benefits and antioxidant benefits, helping to improve your skin's barrier. We also see panthenol. Panthenol is a skin-soothing hydrator that is often referred to as provitamin B5. Panthenol, similar to niacinamide, helps to decrease transepidermal water loss, or the amount of water that evaporates through your skin. This allows the skin to feel and also look more supple. Topical application of panthenol helps to reduce sensitivity-induced redness and also aids in the healing and repair of the skin's barrier. We also see sodium hyaluronate, the salt form of hyaluronic acid. This is an antioxidant that is also anti-aging, hydrating, and skin soothing. Because of its molecular structure, making it much smaller than hyaluronic acid, it is more readily absorbed by your skin and thus can penetrate the deeper layers of your skin instead of just kind of sitting on top, which is what hyaluronic acid does. I used the MEDICUBE EXOSOME Cica Calming Ampule before I purchased this, and I also emptied the MEDICUBE unit. I will link my review for the MEDICUBE product up above, and I didn't pick this up because I absolutely hated the MEDICUBE product. No, I actually loved it. I just ordered this because I wanted to try something new, and because my skin was sensitive, sensitized, irritated, it really allowed me to fully put this and the MEDICUBE product to the test. So texturally, I find them to be different. MEDICUBE has a little bit more viscosity to it, whereas the ampule here is definitely watery. I don't have a preference as to one over the other. They both work well with other products despite their differences in texture. The MEDICUBE unit also has a longer ingredients list, whereas the Skin1004 unit is very limited, which in my opinion makes it better suited for sensitive or sensitized skin, anyone dealing with an impaired barrier. And I do prefer the packaging of the Skin1004 unit. I also like that you can get different sizes, but I feel like, you know, just the visual behind this here just kind of elevates the product. Also the tint, the amber tint to the bottle here elevates the product a little better, much more so than the MEDICUBE unit felt to me. And I do find that both units work on my normal skin, and I feel like they would work on my normal skin any time of year. From daily use, I did notice a lot less redness, skin is calmer, it feels hydrated, and barrier does feel like it is stronger and more visually repaired. I do love that it is a watery consistency and it does sink into the skin nicely. It is not sticky, which I love, of course, and it does give the skin a dewy glow without feeling particularly heavy or oily. I feel like this works very well with other products such as MEDICUBE, Pharmacy Remedy, or even my PCA skin products. This works very well with multiple sunscreens, be it chemical or physical sunscreens, such as my Crave Beauty SPF, my Supergoop SPF, and my new Sunboon Editor Hydro Boosting Moisture Sunscreen SPF 30. This I have been loving, and I also picked this up at Amazon here. It is like almost halfway used. Moisturizers and oils. I did not pair this with an oil, but this did work very well with my Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer. I will link my review to this up above in case you're looking for a water-based plumping hydrating moisturizer. Favorite time to use this? Definitely during the day. So I would cleanse with the Murad Sensitive Skin Cleanser, then I would mist my skin with the MEDICUBE Hypochlorous Acid Spray and wait for this to dry, then apply my Pharmacy Calming Chamomile Essence. I will also link my review to that up above in case you're looking for a hydrating, soothing, calming essence. And then I would apply several drops of this, perhaps one too many. I usually start with the cheek area here and then just kind of work my way up to the forehead and then the chin. Then I would follow it with something new. I am trying the iUnique Beta Glucan Power Moisture Serum. Yeah, review coming soon. And then I would apply my favorite eye and lip products currently, followed by the Paula's Choice Pro Collagen Peptide Plumping Moisturizer, and then use my Sunboon Editor Hydro Booster Moisture Sunscreen. I feel like this could work on all skin types, but dry, very dry skin may want to look elsewhere. Perhaps you may want to look into the Pro Cica Intensive Ampule, which same brand. But I'm also testing this and I'm using this at night, and I do find this a little bit more hydrating for nighttime use. But we'll see how I feel about that when I get ready to do that review or film that review for you. So I think that if you are looking for barrier support, or perhaps if you're dealing with sensitized or sensitive skin, this may be something good to have and use. If you are a makeup user, wearer, this will wear beautifully under makeup without disrupting its performance. And I do also love the fact that, you know, there are anti-aging properties in the Centella Asiatica, because I have been feeling a little down at the dumps because I haven't been able to use tons, if any, vitamin C. I'm used to using vitamin C during the day, every day, and I just, you know, have had to stop. But knowing that there are anti-aging benefits in Centella Asiatica makes me feel a little better. Pros here, I absolutely love the limited ingredients list. As someone who reached for this when my barrier was out of whack, I highly recommend this if your skin is out of whack for that reason alone. Limited ingredients is what you are looking for when your skin is sensitive, irritated, or sensitized. Even though I personally can use niacinamide, I do love that there is no niacinamide in here. Especially there is skin out there that just cannot tolerate niacinamide. And again, this is results driven, and affordable. I also love that you can pick up different sizes. So perhaps, you know, you can start with a small unit, and if you love it, if it works for your skin, if you feel like you're getting those results, you can invest in the larger size. I am rating this a 10 out of 10. I am so intrigued by this brand and have had such a positive experience with it. And I do want to try more products by them. So if you have tried anything by Skin1004, let me know what you've tried. Would you recommend in the comments down below? So thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.